Alright guys, my MBRP exhaust is installed. Got my MBRP sticker back here. You can see MBRP on the tips. Tips are a little bit dirty so it's hard to see. It's all under there. Give you a quick startup. I'm kind of busy right now at the moment, but I figured I'd make y'all a video of the first startup on camera. It sounds amazing. I love it. But here we go. Sucker is extremely loud. But it doesn't pop. So I guess these little things under here that don't look like they do much justice to the exhaust system actually do have something to do with it. But they sound amazing. Got to back this little doodad out here and jump this truck off over here because I got a bunch of stuff to move, as you can see. Been helping my grandma move, so I got a truckload of stuff over there that I need to take to the dump, and I got a truckload of stuff over there that needs to go to the dump. So let's get. I gotta go. Subscribe for more content if you like this video. Drop a like. Ooh, I'm all twisted up, busy, got lost in my words. But anyways, keep it real, and always remember, Jesus loves you.